Hello, in this tutorial you're going to know how to make your own translator app using the MIT App Inventor. First of all, it is important for you to know that an Android mobile or tablet is needed for this to be accomplished. Any other device will not work. After downloading the MIT App Inventor in your device, use your computer to access to the MIT App Inventor website. Once you're in, select Create Apps, and you'll have to access with an email account. After that, go to Projects and select Start New Project and give your project whichever name you want. For example, Translator App. In the left side of your screen, there is a menu called Palette. Go to the user interface and drag three labels and a button to the center of your screen. So we select a button and we drag it to the screen. And we're gonna do the same with three labels. The first one, second one, and last one. As you can see, in the right part, there is a components section, and besides a properties section, where you can modify or edit any component, for example, changing text size or text color. We are gonna name the button Translate button. So we select the button, we click on rename, and we rename it Translate button. After this, go to the Layout section and select Horizontal Arrangement. Drag it to the center screen and arrange your buttons to have a better order. Now, you're going to rename Label 1 for your translator's name. For example, Tech Translate. And then change its color to whichever you want. Then select your button and go to the Properties section. Where it says Text, write down the final action. In this case, Translate. You can edit it too. With this done, go back to the Palette section and click on Media. Look for the Yandex Translate thing and drag it to the screen. This is the tool we are using in order for the translations to be accomplished. So now you are going to erase text in label 2 and label 3. Well, I'm gonna write 3 dots. And we are done with the designer part. Now we have to make things work. In the upper right side, click on Blocks. This is the programming part. Now in the left side, select Translate button, and a menu with many options is going to drop out. Select the one that says when translate button click and drag it to the screen. Then select Yandex Translate and drag the block that says Call Yandex Translate 1 in purple. You're going to drag it next to Do. Go to Text and select the first option, the one that has the quotation marks. Drag it next to the thing that says Language to Translate to and write down NS. These are the two languages we are using, English and Spanish. And then go to Label 2 and select label2.text and drag it next to Text Translate. We are almost done. We are just missing the last steps. Select Yandex Translate 1 again and drag to the screen the option that says When Yandex Translate 1 got translation. Then select Label 3 and choose the Set Label 3.text to. Finally, in Variables, select Get, drag it next to, and search for translation. And you're done. You can now see how it works. Go back to the designer part and in the upper left side select Connect to pair your Android device with the program. Select All Companion and in your device type this code or you can scan the QR code. Now you just gotta type something in label 2, for example, hello, how are you? And in the device click on translate. There it is. You can now translate any word or phrase you want.